Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to stop automatic backup to OneDrive in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop automatic backup to OneDrive, open File Explorer, right click on OneDrive icon, go to OneDrive and then go to Settings. Here you will find first option backup important PC folders to OneDrive and a button here manage backup. Click on manage backup. You will find all your backup folders here. The backup is turned on right now. To stop backup, just click on here and pop-up window will be open. Are you sure you want to stop folder backup? Now click on stop backup. In this way you can turn off all your folder backup. Click on stop backup and scanning. Again in music, click here, click on stop backup. Again in videos, click here and then click on stop backup again. In this way, you can stop automatic backup to OneDrive in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.